Today, we have another powerful and high-tech vacuum cleaner for Tesla. This vacuum cleaner is cordless, rechargeable, and small, but it's more powerful than some of the big-size corded vacuum cleaners out there. The Baseus A7 is a newly released portable vacuum cleaner for your car and for your home. If you remember, a few months ago, we reviewed this portable but quite powerful vacuum cleaner from Baseus. This is the upgraded design from the same company and is more powerful, features extra accessories, and can hold more trash. The package contains your main vacuum cleaner, a storage bag so you can easily put this vacuum cleaner away, and a user manual. Then you have this long extension hose to clean difficult to reach areas. They also send you a shoulder adapter, which has a brush tool that can slide, making it easy to use. The package also contains a USB-C charger to charge the battery, a brush tool to clean the dirt stuck to the filter, and they send you an extra HEPA filter. This has a very futuristic and ergonomic design. You can simply twist this top tank to remove the filter. This side just has the suction motor, and the tank itself contains those filters. You can just twist the filter housing and those filters can be removed. The outside is a fine steel mesh filter and inside is a high quality HEPA filter. Both of these filters are washable, making them reusable. It supports 2 power modes and the battery lasts about 20 minutes on the highest power. This little vacuum cleaner is small but very powerful. It can pick up anything including rocks. You can now easily clean the frunk, trunk, and interior of your Tesla or any other car and even your house. This is quite handy. I'm usually not very satisfied with the suction power on cordless vacuum cleaners, but this one is something else. It effortlessly picks up large dirt and rocks. You can use the short extension adapter to reach this difficult area between the door sill and the seat. As you can see, this vacuum cleaner picks up really well. You can also use the long extension and reach this same area as well as under the seat. Even with those extensions, the motor is so powerful to pick up even those smaller rocks. The brush tool extension is really useful to scrub and pick up dirt, especially from the textured and uneven surfaces. What we have here are some wet leaves, big chunk of dirt, wet mushy dirt, and rocks. As you can see, this mighty vacuum cleaner picks up each of those items without a second thought. The power on this thing is amazing. I don't know about you, but it is so satisfying to see these footages of powerful vacuum cleaner picking up dirt. When you are done, just twist the tank and remove those filters. It picked up quite a lot and there is enough room for more. This tank can hold up to 500 milliliters of dirt. The steel mesh filter did a pretty good job at filtering large particulates, and the HEPA filter has a lot of small particulates trapped. This is very helpful so the suction motor doesn't get damaged by those dirt. Now you can easily rinse these filters and reuse them after drying. The previous model we reviewed was extra portable, but it has a very small tank and filters. This new model has a large tank, allowing you to use the vacuum cleaner for longer periods of time. Overall, this is a great accessory and something I can easily recommend. Thank you for watching this video. Please hit that like and subscribe button for more videos like this in the future. I'll be back again with another Tesla accessory.